Have you ever had someone tell you that they liked something you did, something you wrote, or something you made, or something you said somewhere? Think about what you did just after that. Not what you felt, but what you did. I know that for me, every time somebody tells me that they like something that I wrote, an email or a blog or something, I go back and I reread that blog and I want to kind of find out what it is they liked about it. That's the thing about us humans. We like to be told what we did right rather than what we did wrong. And often it's easy to pick out the things we don't like in what somebody else has done or said. But the reality is, if we want people to do the things that we like, we should tell them about those things. We should notice those things. And what happens then is we start to replicate those behaviors. We start to do the things that others like. And that leaves less room for the things that we don't like. So here's my thought experiment for you. What about if you start looking for the things that you like in your children, in your partner, and in your colleagues, and start pointing those things out? I think if we all do that, we're going to create a better world. What have been the results you have found with giving someone positive reinforcement? Drop us a line or leave a comment below.